Hello everyone, MPX Autos is James here. How are you today? In this video, I would like to share the work that we will finish in the finish the first test for the BMW E46. We said first test because we actually make it two steps for this car. The first step we fix up all the broken wiring, damaged wiring, and parts which the previous owner did a very surprisingly work in the car by themselves, and they damage so many things in the wiring setup and part of the car. Now we already recover many different good things, block all the dangerous wiring, cut chop in the car and make it right. And at this moment the new camera at the back end, full HD and specially designed to make the camera looks like the block up, like the factory camera, much even better than that. And also the head unit 9-inch, the system with the advanced mode over here. Let's have a look at the reverse camera. Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera. It's super clear, super detailed, and also it doesn't look like it actually is the aftermarket at the back end. It looks like factory. Now the system has wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, no doubt. It even can read the SIM card by itself. Yep, that's a very updated version. And we already fixed up the wiring for the speaker at the rear of the car. Now the second step will be add in the under seat amplifier and subwoofer, and the side door speaker will be fixed up and recover because it was damaged by the previous owner, all of the wiring onto the door. So yeah, today everything is good and ready to go, and we will see you soon in another video on the the second stage. Thank you, and we'll see you on.